Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 21 Ranger Highlifter again. I told you on the last video that I had the new turn signal kit coming in. It's from Automotive Custom Lighting, and I got it installed and wanted to show everybody kind of what it was involved with the install process and how I like it. So let's check it out. And so, as you can see, we have the whole LED factory light kit installed. So I went ahead and ordered the whole LED kit. You can order this kit without the factory LEDs. You can order it if you get it like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the turn signals on. You can also get it with little lights that actually sit off in here that are your turn signals. I wanted this. This has the most factory look that I could find, and so I just wanted to go ahead and get the one I got. So let me show you here. So obviously you can see it's the factory lights. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to turn it on. So just with the key on, they wired up the factory LED lights to have a running light now. So I think before, if you had the factory LED lights on your machine, you had to turn the actual light switch on to have them light up. Now you just turn the key on and the little running lights light up. So they do that. Obviously it's the factory LED headlights, so y'all can see those in other videos. But here's the whole turn signal mechanism that it comes with. So it mounts to your steering column. It's like a little U-clamp. So you have hazards. Pull out on that. It integrates into your dash. So you can see right there it lights up. So you do that to turn off your hazards, and then so shows one blinking obviously like that. See if I can get out of the sun here. That's it blinking. I can see it clear as day where I'm at. It's just not, the camera's not picking it up very good, but that's showing it a little bit. But you can see is obviously like this side right here stays with the daytime running light while the other one's flashing. And then you just turn your hazards on or do one or the other. And they're just flashing away. It's really, really bright at night. So it also came with I ordered it with the horn kit, so I put the factory button in down here so you can hear that. But yeah, it integrates in really, really nice. You just had to take this part of the dash apart. I had to take this part out. And everything wires in, easy wires into the pulse bar, and just use one slot on it. So you just take the hood off and wire everything in. It probably took me, I don't know, just a few minutes, or it probably took me an hour to do it. You can also see it integrates into your tail lights. So you can see right there where your tail lights are. I don't have the other one on, but that one's flashing. Has a license plate bracket with it that's lit. That actually plugs into your wiring harness that's up under here, so it plugs right in. I just ran the wire up through my center column down the center of the machine. You just have to take, I don't think I even took this piece out. I just popped this seat up, and then I did pop this piece out right here, and ran all the wiring up through there up to the dash. So everything worked really, really well, and like I say, I really, really like the kit. I really like how bright the LED headlights are over the factory halogens. If you're interested, I know a lot of people are just changing out to LED bulbs. I'm really, really happy with going with this direction. And so if anybody's got any comments or would like to know any more about the kit, just let me know, or go check out Automotive Custom Lighting on their website. I don't know if they have these kits in stock or not. Whenever I ordered it, they said that they were, it was a pre-ordered kit, and they were just building them kind of as they got orders for them, and they were waiting on parts to come in. So it actually took him about 3 to 4 weeks to build it for me, I think, because they were waiting on parts. But like I said, I'm really, really happy with how it turned out, and can't wait to get to use it some more on the street. So if you like this video, just leave me a like or a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.